I really needed one because my brother took mine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some unboxing. Let's open it. I got some EarPods from Apple and they have USB-C because my phone has USB-C. There you go. Look at this glowing. And let's unbox it if it lets me. Ooh, I'm so new to the Apple world, so I don't know how it works, but I just saw this tab over here. It comes with a manual, which I'm probably not gonna read. These are the earbuds. So cute. Okay. How do I... Oh. That's satisfying. I wanted to get some wired headphones. The one I had before were JBL headphones, which I never ended up editing the video and posting it, but you'll know, but you'll know which one I'm talking about soon. There you go. How do I open this? Oh, so much stuff for just earphones. Wait, it doesn't have a microphone? Oh. That is, let's try connecting it to the phone and see if it works. All right, I just plugged it in my phone. Let's try putting it in your ear. Let's clean my phone a little. It's really kind of blurry-ish. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, there you go. I hope you can hear me. Let's do this mic testing. 1, 2, 3. That did not work. Hello, mic testing. Again, part 2. I don't know what is wrong with my earphones. They are not working at all. What is going on? Like, do I have to connect it to the Bluetooth or something? Let me try seeing if the songs work. Okay, I'm recording from my other device so that you can see, but I literally could not hear a thing on my photo, so I'm gonna try putting it with Spotify and see if that helps. If you're ready, come and get it. Na 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 na. Okay, so the Spotify works, but I don't know what is wrong with the camera. That doesn't work. Ready? I'm gonna try. Hey people. Oh, now suddenly it's working. This is so weird. Earlier I was able to hear the voice outside the phone than through the earphones, so I'm glad this is working. Sound quality wise, it's good. Let me see how the mic is. So this is how the microphone tests like on EarPods. And now I have disconnected the EarPods and this is how the microphone sounds like. So this is how the microphone tests like on EarPods. And now I have disconnected the EarPods and this is how the microphone sounds like. I low-key like it. Overall, I feel like I'm gonna give this EarPods 7 out of 10 for now. That's a good rating for me if it's a 7. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.